Hey guys, Tech Mentor with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your iPhone battery percentage in a few different ways. So let's get started. Now, the simple and the easiest way is if you have a phone like with a full screen, just simply pull down the control menu and you should see the percentage listed right here. That's the battery percentage. Now, another way to check is by going into your setting of our iPhone, and then we want to ensure under the battery in the setting here, we click on show battery percentage on, and that will also list the battery percentage actually right on the battery itself, so you don't have to pull down every time as well. It's going to be listed right there. Now, another way you can also have it display right on the display is adding a widget. So pick any app on your iPhone, right, and press and hold that app. So you're just going to press and hold one of these apps, and then we're going to be able to click on edit home screen, which will make this screen kind of start animated. We're going to click on that plus icon and then search for the battery widget. So battery widget is right here. If we click on it, there's a couple of different options. We can see the battery status. So let's say we like this widget. We'll add on that and click on done. And now we don't have to either look at there or pull down it or even add that on. We can see our battery percentage directly on the screen. And you can move this around by pressing and holding to a different place if you like. But that's how you check your battery percentage on your iPhone on the latest iOS version. I hope this video was helpful, so please consider that like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.